Hey guys, happy Monday and welcome back in to another episode of Sound Supply featuring myself, Eric Huber. Great to be here. And hey, check it out. Brand new shirt, 90 degrees outside. I'll take it. We had a terrible Memorial Day weekend weather-wise, but things are heating up. Things are changing. And let's dive into this topic based on systems design and returning back to the workplace. That's what this is all about. And I've mentioned this before, a overlooked feature, an overlooked value asset that we provide you guys is free systems design. I keep saying it. It's a beautiful thing. You know, I get calls today where, we're leaning towards a design type conversation, and I pick it up right away. And that's when I plug it in and I say, hey, we offer free systems design support. We actually can design your system on a beautiful diagram, provide you with a bill of materials, and you're ready to go. You're ready to present to your clients based on your needs, based on the customer's needs. And, that's where, I want to stress the word value as an asset for you guys when you're working with us, when you're working with TOA. We have two amazing guys that lead the team for systems design. We have, as you guys know, Jim McGinnis, my colleague, and also Dan Shore, our engineering manager and mastermind behind a lot of things that go on here. And those guys, we don't just spit out a design based on anything. We sit down with you guys, we ask you important questions, and those questions give us the power and the tools to design the best possible system for your customers. Jim and Dan are super duper passionate when it comes to systems designs, and we want to make sure, everybody's happy, and most importantly, we want to make sure all needs are met no matter what. That's the key here. So, going back to today's environment, and, you guys are out there. Unfortunately, I'm not out there, but I do talk to a lot of you guys over the phone, and I could see trends going, things are picking up, especially in designs. I'm seeing change in retrofitting designs, I think is building on existing designs or existing installations I see as a key trend. But, we get calls as simple as, hey, our customer's looking for a better sounding system. Their system's super old. Well, I also see a trend towards optimization. And what I mean by that is based on the way we work today, and the majority of businesses have completely changed how they operate, whether that be scaling down, whether that be looking, we also had a lot of time on our hands during this thing. And a lot of people put a lot of thought into how they operate. And for a lot of businesses, audio is being used, whether that be BGM, whether that be paging, whether that be intercom. It doesn't matter. If audio is a key part of your business, people went down the line. If audio was up there, they sat down and they thought about it, right? Maybe it was downscaling. Maybe it was optimizing. Less is more, right? There's so many different avenues that we can go on. So the needs are changing, and the two key terms that I'm going to be bringing up in this topic is change and optimization. I think those are the two key terms going forward, at least for this year. As things start to heat up, as business starts to pick up. So, if you guys are integrators and you're taking in information from your clientele, take as much as you can. The more information, the better. And when you guys call us, we'll break that down, and right away, we know exactly what to pick up from you guys. An important figure that can go a long way when it comes to systems design is building diagrams or property diagrams, because we take that information and we plug it into our systems. We have specialized software tailored to our specific products. So each individual product actually gets plugged into these systems, and we're able to enter those dimensions or specifications of that location and give you the best possible options for that design or that system installation. So it's just, the value there, and I'm also surprised, and maybe we're not putting it out there enough, is the fact that people are unaware of the service, and right when I say, hey, listen, we have a great team of guys that are very passionate about installations and systems design, and it's free. If you guys are using Toa products, we offer this tool, and where this could be extremely powerful is when you see something that you're not familiar with. So again, like I said, change, right? So you might see an installation or an idea that the customer might have, and you hit a roadblock. You actually hit a block in your thought process, and you don't know what to do. Well, guess what? If you are interested in TOA products, boom, you're hooked up. You're part of the team, right? You join us, we join you, we collaborate, and we make things happen. That's the best thing. So, don't be afraid to call us and discuss, what might be holding you back, right? Because we, as an audio company, we have a huge array of products tailored for a multitude of situations. So we usually, we always have a solution for you guys when it comes to audio and when it comes to systems design. Another factor that we keep in mind when designing systems is expansion. So future expansion, things are constantly changing, especially going forward. I feel like there's going to be a lot of change, either with technology or that customers' needs changes based on the way they operate or the way their customers gain their business, whatever that may be. So we try to be as flexible as possible when it comes to designing a system. Not only do we keep in mind of a future expansion with TOA products, but we also keep in mind the integration or the collaboration with third-party type equipment. It could be control units. It could be another manufacturer. It could be video, right? So we keep all these things in mind, and we can communicate with almost anything out there, which is awesome, which is very awesome. So just keep that in mind. Like we want to make sure needs are met, but there's no end of the road in terms of that. And once you guys deploy the system, support, once you join TOA and you use our products for that specific design or installation, you become part of, right? So if you guys have an issue with the design out there, if you want to expand on it, you can call us. You can give us, your project ID or your design ID. Jim or Dan can pull it up. Myself can pull it up, and then we could take a look and say, well, let's make this better. Let's do what you need to make this work, and that's the true power of it, which is fantastic. So, guys, please, if you are installing systems, if you are designing systems, if you're integrating systems, going forward, things are going to change. And we know that you're going to have a lot of questions based on those brand new ideas or those brand new needs that your clients are going to have. And, don't be afraid to ask. We have a solution for pretty much everything. We're working on new products based on demand. And we'll have an answer, and we'll have a solution for you guys. So keep that in mind. All right, guys, thanks for joining us once again. I want to wish everybody a happy summer. Is it summer yet? It's almost summer, right? Stay cool out there. And if you need anything, reach out to us. Again, my name's Eric, product specialist here at TOA. We'll catch you next week. Remember, every single Monday, brand new Sound Supply episode based on your needs, based on your questions, based on today's world and commercial audio. All right, guys, take care of yourselves.